Alam nyo, pare-pareho naman tayong mga nagtatanong sa ahensya. Yung mga ahensyang yan, sang-ayon ako sa inyo, kailangan. Eh bakit hindi linigay sa NEP? Hindi naman trabaho ng senador, ng chairman ng finance, sagutin ang ahensya, bakit wala sa NEP? Eh yun na yung tanong namin, bakit nga wala sa NEP? Mag-isip-isip sila, matuto sila gumawa ng budget nila. Bakit tayo mag-iisip ngayon, ba't wala sa NEP?
Thank you for the lecture,
Yeah.
Senator Loren.
I'm not lecturing. I
No,
was
we thank you really. You're really saying the right thing.
No,
but
it's true.
anyway,
Because I was there for 5 years, and sometimes, hanggang last minute, they submit in the BICAM. Why should they submit in the BICAM? Pag-isipan nila ang kanilang NEP, National Expenditure Program, the President's Budget. That's why ayaw na ayaw namin ma-insertion sa BICAM. Kasi dapat kung mahalaga yan, nasa NEP na yan. And then they come to a senator during the plenary, isingit nyo to. Ayaw namin. Okay, we amend, but there's only limited fiscal space. And then now, a veteran congressman asks the first-term chair of the Finance Committee, why is it not there? I'm sorry, I have to answer for him. Of course, he can very much answer that, but if it's not in the NEP, what do we do, right?
I also agree with Senator Ligarda and the chair. So therefore, I think Secretary Banoy Lopez is listening to us now. The suggestion of our senator is probably in the next cycle for 2027, we should be able to have that.
If I may add, after this, let's organize the oversight committee so that we even, walang masama, we are consulted when they do their NEP. Masama ba yun? Hindi. Kasi lahat ng output natin, sabi natin, bakit ang DND puro infra, ba't kulang sa ganito? So, example yung DND, bakit ito, wala yung Mindanao Rail? Agree kami dyan. Ano mang priorities nila, di ba? Kaya hearing tayo ng hearing. Gawa tayo ng monthly oversight committee ng bicameral. Tanungin nyo yan, kaagad. Sang-ayon ako dyan.
I agree again with Senator Ligarda.